Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So today we are going to do facial at home, but before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So for this video I'm going to use VLCC's Gold Facial Kit. It comes with 6 small tubes with steps written on them, so it's very easy to follow. So the first step is cleansing your face. So I'm using cleanser cum toner. I'll tell you one thing, the quantity in each tube is quite good. Sometimes you don't really need the entire content of the tube. Half of the tube is more than enough for your entire face and neck. So I'm very gently applying the cleanser all over my face and neck, taking my time and just massaging my skin in circular motions and then wiping it off very gently. I'm going to link this pad in the description box if you want to buy. It's very gentle and really good quality. Next step is gold scrub. Now this gold scrub is very gentle. I was for some reasons expecting a bit harsh face scrub because that's what I think of when I get facials done at parlors, the regular parlors. It's been I think more than 3 years I have got a facial done at a beauty parlor. I did get facials done at a dermatologist, but I do not really visit parlor for facial. So just focus on the areas where you generally get congestion. My areas are the jawline, my brow area and around my nose. So I'm just focusing on those areas and very gently massaging my entire face and then wiping it off with the same cotton pad. This is reusable washable cotton pad. Now the third step is gold gel. You are supposed to massage your face and neck with this gel. It's a clear gel and it is very calming and soothing. Once you start massaging, you will feel that you are feeling so calm, and this face massage gel feels so cold on the face. I was actually enjoying the whole massaging period. You just have to massage your face in upwards and outward motion. As you can see, I'm just lifting my face and just massaging it towards my temple or ears. Do not forget your neck because it also needs your attention. And if you do not know already, the aging shows up pretty quickly on your neck. So just make sure you are using very soft, gentle motions and just lifting your face up. Do not drag it down. Just try to work on the contours. Keep your eyes closed. It's very relaxing. And I also like to massage my brow bone. It's very relaxing, and especially if you work on laptops, this step is very relaxing. Then I took my steamer out. I bought this last year sometime, and finally I decided to use it. I bought it from Amazon. It's really good quality steamer, and I steamed my face for good 1.5 minutes. That was more than enough. I just wanted my pores to open up so that the next step in massaging with the gold cream, my skin can absorb as much moisture as it can. Now I'm taking the gold cream. I am pretty generous when it comes to moisturizing my face. So I'm just applying the cream all over my face and my forehead, and in small circular motions, I'm going to massage it into my skin. And then again, gentle strokes towards your temples, towards your ear, lifting your face up. You don't really have to be proficient in face massage to do facial at home. You can simply follow the upwards and outwards small strokes, and just make sure that the cream is like at least 50% of the cream is absorbed into your skin before you wipe it out. So now I bought this facial kit I think almost 7 months ago. I wanted to do my facial at home. I don't visit parlors for facial like I mentioned before, generally because I end up with breakouts for some reason. So I do it at home most of the times. This is also a really good way of lifting your chin and getting rid of that excess fat, facial massage techniques. So using your knuckles to massage and lift your face up is really good idea. It will also increase the blood circulation. Now I'm using these small circular strokes around my jawline. and then again massaging my brow bone and the eye socket area. It's very relaxing. Do it once. Now I'm wiping my face with the same round. I just wash it and use it again. Wash it just with plain water. Now you can extract. If you have pimples or acne or whiteheads or blackheads, you just extract, because your skin is very soft. Your blackheads and whiteheads must have loosened up a bit. You can just get rid of them, or you can do them right after you take steam. It's okay. I did not have too many congested areas. I just had one spot on the forehead and one on my cheek. Next and the final step is this gold peel off mask. So the quantity of the mask is not that good. I mean, I was not able to cover my entire face, and it smells really strong, very plasticky, as if you have applied bleach. Face mask has a really strong smell. I did not like it at all, and it did not have enough to cover my entire face. So I just applied it on my cheeks, my nose area, and a little bit whatever was left on my forehead. As you can see, I did not like the smell at all. It was too much. So now I let it dry and just peeling it off against my hairline, hair growth. Just peel it off very, very gently. Take your time. Now I splashed some water on my face and wiped it off. Now I decided to thread my upper lips a bit, because there was a lot of growth. I do not thread my brows entirely, but I do thread my upper lips every 15 days. So I'm just applying a bit of powder, and I'm using the regular thread that you use at your home to sew clothes. So I'm just making a loop with the thread. And then you have to just twist one of your hands, and it will form a kind of a knot. And then I don't know how to explain this step, but this is how you can remove your upper lips at home very easily. I do it all the time. Just make sure you are sitting in a very well lit room, and the mirror can show you very good close-up of the upper lip area. And it is very, very easy. I have been doing my upper lips at home for the past 1 year now. My eyebrows are also very light, so I don't really like to get them threaded that often, that frequently. So I'm taking my time to remove all the hair from the upper lip area. And I'm just threading the area around my brows. I'm not going to touch my brows, because I have very sparse and light brows, and I do not want to mess up their shape, and they are very thin already, so even if a slightest mistake is going to show up. So I'm just getting rid of the hair between my brows, and as you can see, my face looks much cleaner now. The last and the final step is the gold moisturizing gel, which is an oil-free gel, which makes it suitable for all skin types. In fact, this kit is suitable for all skin types. Most of the products are very lightweight. So apply this moisturizing gel, and do not forget to apply sunscreen if you are stepping out. And if you are staying indoors, you just apply this moisturizing gel and just get on with your day. I hope you guys enjoyed this facial at home video and found it helpful. I'm going to link the facial kit and the steamer in the description box. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Take care.